Hello there, Jay Johnson, windowpurchase.com. Welcome back. Yet another video for your viewing pleasure. The tip of the day is on what is a hybrid window. So let's get to it. You have two windows behind me that look almost identical. They're both white, they're both double hungs, they both have grids in them to some degree. This has to do with frame versus glass base. Some people I meet with, about 5%, maybe less, are just really anal about they don't want any glass space loss after the window is replaced. So for example, let's say that this is 24 inches of glass. If I replace the window with a new window, they want 24 inches of glass again. They don't want 23 and a quarter, 23 and a half, 23 inches of glass, and that's fine. But most windows on the market, especially if you're not doing a full replacement, going stud to stud or brick to brick, you're going to have minor glass loss. Now this pen, if I put it up against the main frame, not the trim, and not the sash that moves, but the main frame. The main frame is about twice the width of the pen. This is the hybrid window. If I put it up against the main frame, it's actually the same width as the pen. So you would maintain more glass base in this, slightly, than you would in this. This is 5% or less of the clients I've seen since 2001. This is 95%. Now these are both considered high performance windows. They both get exceptionally good ratings. So it's not like one's good and one's bad. They're both good. However, the hybrid window here costs a bit more than this one, but this one gets better performance ratings than this one. This still gets good performance ratings, don't get me wrong. But this one costs a bit more, and this one gets slightly better performance ratings. They're both warranted the same though. So what makes them different besides the width of those mainframes? This is an all vinyl window. Vinyl mainframe, vinyl sashes. These are vinyl sashes just like here, but this is a fiberglass mainframe. So this is a smart combination in a window if you're looking for maximum glass and you don't want to deal with any type of wood window frame or a framing system that blends other ingredients into the vinyl, because then it's kind of which one of those are going to win out and how's one affecting the other. Anyway, if somebody comes out and tells you that they're the only window on the market that offers you maximum glass space, I would seriously doubt and question that, because there are other companies on the market where the main frame will be about the width of this pen that will also have better performance ratings and give you a better warranty with that product. Don't buy into everything you hear. Do your own due diligence. My name is Jay Johnson, windowpurchase.com. If you find my videos helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and look for my new book coming out early this year, Shopping for Windows 101, which will also be featured at the Tucson Book Fair Festival mid-March. Thank you so much.